What's good, y'all? It's your boy Jace on this, and today we're going to be making bird's eye Voila triple, 3-cheese chicken pasta and a 3-cheese sauce with grilled seasoned white chicken, broccoli, corn, and carrots. And I bought this at Walmart. So enjoy it. Okay, I have it heating right now. I put the heat on number 8. Even though that's kind of high, but I still put it on number 8. And I got me a cup of water. And I'm gonna just pour the water on top of everything. That looks like enough, I think. Or should I put it a little bit more? No, that looks about right. So now what we're going to do is just stir everything together. Yeah, this is frozen right here. This is the Voila 3-cheese chicken. Like, comment, and subscribe. And you're gonna see how this is gonna come out. This is the before. Well, while we're waiting for this delicious meal that I'm about to eat, but y'all looking at, I got on my Circle merch right now. That's what I got on. That's what I'm wearing. I'm gonna leave the link in the description to my website, and you could go buy you some shades. I sell shades on my website, my United Masters website. Yes, I do. This is my daily Jace vid. I appreciate you for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of the video. All right, so this is how it's looking right now. It's not done. I threw a timer on, and there is a minute and 15 seconds, minute 14 now. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in a minute. Like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so I added in the cheese. It was a cheese packet. This is what the cheese packet looks like. It came in this right here. Then I squeezed out all the cheese, and you know, so I put the cheese in. But now, even though it comes like seasoned and everything, I'm gonna add in just a little more flavor, you know. And we got some, that was garlic Parmesan seasoning by Weber. You got some onion powder. You're gonna throw the onion powder in just a little bit. And we got some black pepper. And then we throw in the garlic Parmesan seasoning. And we're gonna stir that all up. I reduced the heat to 4. Like, comment, and subscribe. And it'll be ready to plate in just a second. And this is how it came out. It looks really good. I put all of the food that was in the pan on one plate, you know. Okay, so yeah, this is the end of the video. I wanted to let y'all see like how many calories was in this. It's 190 calories. Total fat 4.5 grams. Saturated fat 1.5 grams. Trans fat 0 grams. Cholesterol 20 milligrams. Sodium 750 milligrams. Total carbohydrate 26 grams. Dietary fiber 3 grams. Total sugars 6 grams. And there are 11 grams of protein. I would definitely recommend this. Go check it out. Jace, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.